As a designer, I am often needing to create questionnaires, send invoices. I do lots of things with PDFs, and I often need those to be fillable PDFs. So what do you do if you don't have access to Adobe Acrobat? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use an all-in-one PDF editor tool called Tenorshare PDNob. It allows you to create fillable PDFs in just a few minutes, and it has a ton of other great editing features for PDFs. Some really cool features about this all-in-one PDF editing tool: you can edit documents with ease, you can create fillable PDFs, you can summarize documents using the AI tools that are built into the product, you can add text, images, and links into PDFs. You can also take scanned documents and have the tool convert them to live text and be able to edit that text. You can convert to all kinds of file formats such as Word, PowerPoint, and different image types. It works really well on Mac and PC. And the best part is most of these features are available in the free version. You can use Tenorshare PDNob for free today using the link below this video. Let me show you how it works. So I'm on the Tenorshare website. I'm going to go ahead and just do a free download for Mac. I'm going to open the installer and quickly install this on my machine. Now that I have the program installed, I'm going to open a JPEG of a form that I want to create and add fillable fields to. So from the home screen, I'm going to navigate to the top over to the Form tab. And now I'm going to add form fields to this image. I have some different options here. I can edit a field, I can add text, or I can add text fields, checkbox, radio buttons, etc. I can also sign this if I need to. I have a couple forms right here that I need to add a text field. So let's go ahead and do that. I'm just going to click and drag into the places that I need my fields. Okay, next I need some radio buttons. So let's go up to create a radio button field. And just going to click and drag to make some radio button fields. And just to demonstrate this, here's a checkbox field that you can add to a document as well. So now if I were to save this, go to File, Save As, and now these forms are fillable. I can put text in them, I can check, and I tested that check mark over here as well. So that was really easy. Another cool feature of this program, the text is not editable right now, but you can use a function called OCR. You can then edit the text inside the PDF. So I'm going to click this Perform OCR button. Okay, and I'm going to click Perform OCR. So if I zoom in here, I can now edit this text and add text if I need to. So let's now do another document, and I'll show you a few more of the features in this program. So if I wanted to edit this PDF, I can go to the Edit tab. I can edit this text here. I can add a text box and then move it around. I can also add images. So at the top, click Add Image. Choose an image from your computer. You could drop it in and then resize it. You can also add links and click Apply. If I go to the Convert tab, I can then convert this to a Word document, Excel document, PowerPoint, to multiple image types, such as JPEG, PNG, TIFF, etc. Say Convert, and it creates a new file for each of the pages in my document. In this Pages tab, you can also insert new pages, you can replace pages, reorganize your file, or delete pages if you need to. And then going to the sidebar here on the right, go to AI Sidebar. You can easily use AI to summarize this document and give you an overview of what the content is. And it will summarize all this text very quickly. So if you're looking for an easy way to make fillable PDFs and an all-in-one PDF editing tool, check out Tenorshare PDNob, available for Mac and Windows, and there's a great free version that has tons of features. So check out the link below this video to try Tenorshare PDNob today. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave a comment below, and subscribe to Cry Studio for more graphic design and software tutorials. Thanks so much.